So in this video, we'll talk about how to using Microsoft Power Automate to save all the new email attachment to OneDrive. So first, you need to create a folder in your OneDrive, and after that, we create a Power Automate flow. So we using the cloud flow and give it name test. And we search email. So the first one, Outlook.com, is for your personal account. If you're using work and school account, you need using Office 365. When new email arrives, great. So if you see the not invalid connection, you need to log into your email account. Okay, so as the next step, we need add action. So we search create under OneDrive for Business. If you are using personal account, you just go to OneDrive. Okay, it won't show up here. So we select create file. So there are three parameters you need to fill in. Okay. So the first one is your OneDrive folder path. Click that. Under Rules, you select the attachment. Okay. That's the folder you want to save your attachment. The file name, we click the data. And we select See More. So the first one is the attachment name, file name. It is attachment name. And the file contents should be your attachment contents. Okay? So that will automatically add for each option here, because for if you have multiple attachment, it will create a file one by one. Okay. So after that, you successfully create the automatically flow. So you save it, and then you can test it by sending your attachment email to your email address to test that. So this one, it will automatically save the attachment, include your email signature and the picture included in your email. Okay, so hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.